Ever felt as though you're wading through molasses, your energy stores depleted? Well, I've got the answer for you. Today I am introducing a power duo that's about to revolutionize your health: spinach and pineapple. The health benefits of drinking a spinach-pineapple smoothie every day are plentiful thanks to its many valuable nutrients. Here are some of the top ways this nutritious smoothie can boost your health and why it should be added to your list of healthy recipes to use regularly. First, let's talk about spinach, this unassuming leafy green that's a mighty powerhouse of nutrients. Spinach is brimming with vitamins A, C and K, not to mention iron and calcium. It's a true champion for your immune system and a stalwart defender of healthy bones and skin. Spinach is high in insoluble fiber, a key ingredient in optimizing digestive health and preventing constipation. According to Mayo Clinic, high-fiber foods like spinach can help you reach a healthy weight because they make you more likely to eat less yet stay fuller longer. Spinach is rich in a class of antioxidants called carotenoids. The body turns provitamin A carotenoids into vitamin A, which is essential to a robust immune system. Spinach also contains vitamin C, another key immune booster. Research shows that vitamin C can increase immune defense at a cellular level and help fight off infections. But why stop at spinach? I've decided to pair it with the tropical delight that is pineapple. Not only is pineapple a tantalizing treat for your taste buds, but it's also packed with bromelain, a unique enzyme that streamlines digestion and curbs inflammation. Pineapple also contains vitamin C, another key immune booster. Research shows that vitamin C can increase immune defense at a cellular level and help fight off infections. Find what happens when you bring both spinach and pineapple into the same corner after you complete this one simple task that will only take a few seconds of your time. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device, and on it, you'll see a thumbs up symbol. Click on it. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. By clicking on it, not only are you showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video, but you're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Then, once this video has ended and you've absorbed all the information it has to offer, what then? Well, don't keep it to yourself. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. I urge you to share this video across your social networks, through your emails, and on all other platforms. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, you might be asking, is that all? Not at all. There's another step you need to take to stay updated with all the informative videos that I'm posting. Look out for the subscribe button. By clicking on it, you're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. But don't stop at subscribing, there's more. Notice the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That's the notification bell. Click on it and then select all. By doing this, you're ensuring that you never miss out on any new videos that are posted. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you need to perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You may now wonder, why should I subscribe? The answer is straightforward. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. Now, it's not just about me talking. I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions, and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate, make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. When you bring spinach and pineapple into the same corner, something remarkable happens. The vitamin C residing in the pineapple amplifies the absorption of iron from the spinach. You're not just eating healthy, you're enabling your body to extract every ounce of goodness from this nutrient-rich vegetable. But the benefits don't stop there. This dynamic duo is a champion of weight loss. Both spinach and pineapple are low in calories and high in fiber, which means you'll feel fuller for longer. To harness the power of this formidable team, all you need is 2 cups freshly cut pineapple. Fresh is best for the enzymes, but frozen is okay too. 3 to 4 cups fresh baby spinach, about 3 to 4 large handfuls. 2 tablespoons chia seeds or flax seeds. 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice. 1 cup of filtered water, 4 to 5 ice cubes. Blend all ingredients in a high-speed blender such as a Vitamix, starting on low and working your way up to high until well blended. This should take about 45-60 seconds in all, or use a Nutri Ninja Auto IQ and just press the blend or ultra blend button and let the blender take care of everything else. So, bid adieu to sluggishness and embrace a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. Make the choice to transform your health today with the power of spinach and pineapple. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Before I wrap up, I'd like to take a moment to express a heartfelt thank you. Your time and interest on this health journey mean the world to me. Your thoughts, experiences, and comments are not just welcomed, they are treasured. So, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. By sharing this video, you might inspire someone close to you to start their own journey towards better health. Knowledge is indeed power, but remember, the information provided here is for educational and informational purposes only, and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We're all wonderfully unique with different dietary needs and health conditions. So before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your health is your most precious asset, and it's vital to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one may not work for another. So use this information as a starting point and work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and never stop learning.